got a picture of a bluebird today, and it only usually appears out in the winter time, and it's blue. It's very special. We haven't seen these type of birds for a while. It's sitting on the tree branch. As you can see, there's like kind of dried up tree over here. Yeah, that's it. Bye, everybody.